So let's look at the we do for today. It says 3 friends rode their bikes last week. Christine rode her bike 27 kilometers. Philip rode his bike 12 kilometers less than Christine, and Nathan rode his bike 3 times as far as Philip. Which equation represents in the distance in kilometers Nathan rode his bike? Okay, so we know that Christine rode her bike 27 kilometers. We know that Philip rode his bike 12 kilometers less than Christine. So in this case, since the word less is in our phrase, we know we're going to have to subtract. So this is going to be 27 minus 12. Okay? And then Nathan rode his bike 3 times as far as Philip. So in this case, I see the word times, which means to multiply. So I'm going to multiply what Philip rode. So Philip rode 27 minus 12. So I'm going to start with that. And then I have 3 times, so I'm going to multiply that by 3. So this equation will give us the amount that Nathan rode his bike. Okay? And I look on my answer choices and I see that B matches that answer choice. 27 minus 12 times 3 equals N. Okay, so let's look at our next problem. It says, Mr. Lorenzo gave his 2 sons $50 to buy a cooler. The total cost for the cooler is $44. Mr. Lorenzo told his sons that they could each have an equal share of the change they received. The equation shown can be used to determine S, the amount of money each son should receive in dollars. S equals 50 minus 44 divided by 2. What amount of money is represented by S? So let's look at this equation here. So 50 minus 44, this is going to give us the amount of change. So this is the change that they're going to receive. They're dividing it by 2 because he's got 2 sons. Okay, so this is how they came up with that equation, S equals 50 minus 44 divided by 2. Now we're going to solve it, and just like previously, we're going to use our order of operations to solve this problem. Okay, so I do see parentheses, so I'm going to go ahead and solve my parentheses first. So in this case, I have 50 minus 44. So 50 minus 44, that becomes 6. And I'm left with divided by 2. I'll bring that down. So I don't have any more parentheses. I don't have any brackets. I do see multiplication and division. I only see division here. 6 divided by 2. So in this case, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So there's no other operation left. So that means that each son received $3.